It's the 250-year anniversary of the country, and we started thinking, what can we do to celebrate American exceptionalism? We live in Texas, everything's bigger in Texas, and so we thought, what would it take for us to make the world's heaviest silver coin? It was a process. It was certainly a process. The engineering feat that had to go into designing and making sure that we had the equipment to be able to pull this off with Sunshine Mint, our partners. 448 man-hours just of stone and polish, 168 consecutive hours per side of CNC machining. But in the end, we ended up with just an absolute piece of art.
Yeah, when Tom Power came to us 6 months ago and told me, hey, what's the biggest coin that we could manufacture? What's the biggest coin that'll fit into our CNC machines, into our furnace? And we did our calculations and we came up with, I believe it was 5,500 ounces. That's really where it started.
So, hello everyone, my name is Michael Lemper from Guinness World Records in New York. And I'm here today because this is an official Guinness World Records attempt at heaviest silver coin. After the professional weighers took their surveying and measurements of the coin, I can now announce that Texas Precious Metals and Sunshine Minting had a final measurement of 173 pounds, 14 ounces. They blew that minimum out of the water, and it is a new Guinness World Records title.
In the coin itself, we celebrate, the 50 stars for the 50 states, the 13 arrows for the 13 original colonies. The reeded edge has 250 reeds on it to celebrate the 250 years. The obverse has the Statue of Liberty, so it's something we're really proud of, and we're world record holders.